Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Amara Tariq and I am gonna present the topic of chemistry of materials used in wind turbine and why we use them. Firstly, I will talk about steel. Wind turbine towers, nacelles, and some of the internal structures are made of steel. Most important element of steel is iron. Iron alloys with carbon, chromium, nickel, manganese, and molybdenum is also used. Elements used in these alloys helps in enhancing the properties like strength, toughness, and provide resistance to corrosion and fatigue. Stainless steel mostly consists of chromium, which form a protective oxide layer over the surface of towers and nacelles to prevent them from rusting. Steel provides high strength and durability. It can withstand the mechanical stresses and environmental harsh conditions that wind turbine encountered. Fiberglass used in the manufacturing of blades. The composition of fiberglass consists of silica and polymer matrix. The polymer matrix we used are epoxy or polyester resins. In these fibers, silica embedded in polymer matrix. The silica-based fibers provide strength and flexibility. Polymer matrix binds the fibers together strongly and balancing the pressure of air over the blade. Polymer matrix is typically a thermostatic plastic, which means we reharden it by heating. Fiberglass is lightweight, strong, and flexible. These properties are essential for blades to endure the aerodynamic forces and varying wind conditions. Aerodynamic forces produces by lift force or drag force. Lift force is perpendicular to the airflow and drag force is parallel to the airflow, and by resulting of these two forces the wind turbine blades can rotate. Carbon fiber also used in the manufacturing of blades. The carbon atoms in these fibers arranged in crystalline form and embedded in polymer matrix. Carbon fibers are made by heating it with polyacrylonitrile to remove the elements other than carbon. Fibers formed by this process are high in strength and stiffness. Polymer matrix in these fibers also helps in binding. Carbon fiber is stronger and lighter than fiberglass, which improves the efficiency and performances of blades. These carbon fibers are used in large turbines. The base or the foundation of wind turbines mostly consist of concrete. The composition of concrete consists of a mixture of cement, water, sand, and gravel, etc. The in cement manufacturing hydration process occur. In this process, the cement react with the water to form calcium silicate hydrate and calcium hydroxide, which helps in binding these particles together strongly and create a strong and durable material. Concrete provides a stable and strong base to support the turbine. It is crucial to keep the structure strong and stable under the various pressures. The electrical wiring and generators of a wind turbine mostly made by copper, and the alloys of copper or pure carbon is used in their manufacturing. The as we know, copper is a good conductor of electricity, and the element that forms alloys with copper or zinc, and the zinc these elements like zinc can also improve the strength and helps to form resistance to corrosion. With the property of carbon copper like conductivity, which is very important or is necessary for efficient power generation and electricity transmission. The most of internal component of wind turbines such as electrical parts are made of aluminium. Primarily aluminium possibly form allying with silicon, magnesium, copper, and manganese. The properties of aluminium also have to protect these parts from corrosion. The aluminium form a protective oxide layer over the surface of these electrical parts, and the elements that used in the alloys of aluminium also enhance the strength and other mechanical properties of these electrical parts. The aluminium is lightweight and resistant to corrosion. The aluminium, because of the property of aluminium, it is very suitable for electrical parts of a wind turbine. Some of their rare earth metals like neodymium also used in forming the permanent magnets in generators. Permanent magnets is generally an object which forms a magnetic field itself by magnetize itself without any external force. The composition of permanent magnets consists of neodymium, iron, and boron. When these neodymium elements are combined with iron or boron, it create a strong magnetic field, which very essential for efficiency of permanent magnets in generator. These metals like neodymium, iron, and boron are used in high performance permanent magnets, which are essential for efficient electricity generations in wind turbines. According to a report from National Renewable Energy Laboratory, total mass of wind turbine consists of 66 to 79% of steel, fiberglass, and resin made 11 to 16% of total mass of wind turbine, and 5 to 17% of iron, and 1% of copper, and 0 to 2% of aluminium forms a total mass of wind turbine. That's all about my topic. Thank you for your attention. Take care. Allah Hafiz.